Hello everyone. Welcome back to PowerPoint Mastery. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing and dynamic PowerPoint presentation technique using images of pomegranates. Let's dive right in. Start with a blank slide. Here, I already copied a PNG image of a pomegranate. Duplicate the image and cover the entire slide by rearranging it. Change the size and angle of each pomegranate. Make a copy and fill the area below the slide. Select one of the images, right-click, and select Format Picture. Go to Artistic Effects and select Blur. Set the radius to 25%. Make some copies and cover any remaining space. Group the small pomegranates together and group the blurred pomegranates separately. I have the content ready for use. Now, duplicate the slide. Move the normal image up by 3 steps. Move the blurred image up by 6 steps, making sure to move it double the steps of the normal image. Add some more content. Repeat the process to continue building the slide. Select Morph Transition. I think we need to add more dynamics. Duplicate the first slide and move the images upward by more steps. Increase the steps by double for the blurred image. Repeat the process until it covers the last slide. Play slideshow. Here's the final tip, guys. For the last step to increase more dynamics to the slide, move to the second slide. Rotate the grouped images, one to the left and the other to the right. Thank you for watching. This presentation technique is sure to impress your audience with its dynamic movement and creative design. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to PowerPoint Mastery. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. See you in the next video.